All right, y'all, it's Wiley, working with Wiley.
Back with another Will It Run video.
Ignored in favor of lining his own pockets. And Boss Hog, you're missing.
We've got a, I'd say late 60s Ford F-600 fuel truck. Pretty darn nice old truck. I kind of like it, and I might wind up keeping it. But it's been, last tag was 1997. It's got Smith's Pit Stop on the side of it, Midwest City, Oklahoma. Pretty slick old truck. The fuel tank's still in good shape. It's got separate compartments for different kinds of fuel. All those separate compartments are still in good shape. We're fixing to see if we can get it run. I'm gonna pour some fuel in here. I can't remember if I got a key for it or not. Oh, yep, key's in it. Look at that. Shoot. Anyway, I'm gonna see what we can get done here.
Shoot, it still has a battery in it.
That little bitty tiny thing, I don't even know what the heck it's doing in here. It's an O'Reilly Super Start. I wonder if they'll warranty it.
It's got a sticker on it. Oh dang. I can't see what it says. It's too wore out.
I think that's a little bit more better of a truck battery. There's that much. I know it ain't gonna be this easy, guys, but I'm gonna pour a little bit of gas in it and go in there and hit the key and see what happens. I know it ain't gonna be that easy, but we'll see. What?
Are you kidding me?
Holy moly, guys. I would have never thought that was going to happen. So that wasn't nothing but putting a battery in it and turning the key. And it's been parked 15, what's
Longer than that.
97, so 17, so no, 15 years. No. 20.
25 years.
25 years. Holy moly. 25 years, guys. Look at that. Fired right up.
It took you longer to do that math than it did to get this thing started.
Holy cow.
You're on a roll today.
Put me a little more gas in there.
It ain't got no gas in it. You see there, Scooter? Thinks of the simplest things first.
Wow. Wow, guys. That is amazing. I think this is a keeper.
I agree.
I'm pretty sure. I'm not a Ford guy, but I think I'm gonna keep it. Wow. I really want to get a good little fuel cell to put up here and hook up to this to where we can get it running and leave it running for a little while. She's low on antifreeze, but
Water.
yeah, awesome. But she could be bought.
For the right price.
Yeah. If anybody wants a, I mean, I was considering it to be just some awesome yard art, or, you know, whatever you want to call it. But I think this is too good of a truck to be a piece of yard art.
Or to crush.
Yeah, it ain't gonna crush. It can be bought. A couple little things, and man, golly, that excites the crap out of me. Okay. So let's take a walk around on this, guys. Check
Because
this
I wasn't
thing out.
recording the first time.
Yeah, I done this once, but somebody forgot to hit the record button. You know how that goes.
Take two.
Take two. Anyway, this is a slick old truck. Everything about it, I mean, it's got a tiny bit of rust in a couple spots, but I mean, this is a clean truck. That ain't even really, I mean, tiny bit of rust right there.
Surface rust.
It's got the just big work, just toolboxes, I guess. It's 5 compartments of different kinds of fuels or whatever. Yeah, oil change, tires, and safety inspections. This is the way we picked it up, guys. I mean, this is what it looked like when we picked it up. Of course, this is all your pump back here. It's a PTO driven pump. Last tagged in 1997. It's still got the hose reel with the hose. I don't know that I'm smart enough to pull it out. Oh, there it is. Still got the hose reel with the fuel hose on it. 5 different compartments. Got one of them broke here, but I bet that's easily replaced. Got the gallon counter on it. I'm sure a lot of that's dry rotted. You know, hoses are going to have to be replaced. Smith's pit stop. More doors, more stuff to get into your working compartment in here. Even the floors in the toolboxes and stuff are in good shape. Hey, look, we do transmission flushes, radiator flushes, tune-ups. What else do we do? Fuel filters. We're open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Yeah. Monday through Saturday. Right here. This old truck's just awesome, guys. It's really cool. More toolboxes. Look, like I said, the floors are in great shape in these toolboxes. A little bit of rust on that door. A little bit of a bent fender there.
Flat tires.
Yeah. They might need some air in them. There you go, guys. I mean, that's a wrap. I'm calling this one good. Unless somebody has some cash, I'm probably keeping it. So, if you want it, leave me a comment. If you want to talk about it, leave me a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell. Stay tuned for more, guys. Got more coming up.